Hey everybody, it's me. So you guys know that I have 4 brand new grandkids. I'm so excited and they are amazing, and I want to do puppet shows for them. When my kids were little, I did puppet shows for them and they loved it, and I have grandkids now, and guess what? The puppets are back. So I have 7 amazing puppets that I'm going to be using to do puppet shows for my grandkids, and 6 of them do not have names yet. So what I'm hoping for is for you to, they do all have personalities, so that's done. They are who they are. I've been working on that for a while, so that's done. But the 6 of them don't have names. So I'm going to be showing you the puppets, and maybe you could help me come up with a name. That would be cool. I need to have them soon because I'm doing puppet shows for my grandkids as soon as possible. So here you go. Enjoy.
Hello, I'm a frog, and of course I'm a female frog, and of course I've got a brilliant British accent. I'm not sure what my name is yet though, so I'm going to need some help coming up with a name for myself. And here's the thing, children. It doesn't have to start with F. I don't have to be Fergie or Fiona the frog. I can have another name that starts with any other letter. Okay. Name this frog. Ready? Go.
Okay, you figured it out. Congratulations, genius. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur from Jersey. This is gonna be my voice from this day forward. Get it? Okay, I'm looking for a name, and it doesn't have to be the letter D. It can be the letter P or the letter J. But I need a name. So I'm from Jersey, I'm a dinosaur, I'm 430 million years old. And I've got a lovely singing voice that I might share with you later. But not now. It's too early. Okay. Give me a name. Pronto!
What? Hey, how's it going? It's going pretty good over here. I can barely see you, but I can hear you. Hello, I am a soft shell turtle. I am 250 million years old, and I'm still here. So, just wanted to say hey, and, hey! And, maybe, get some kind of a name from somebody. That'd be great. Okay. All right, hey, listen, I got things to do. I gotta go. Oh, excuse me. Okay, gotta go.
Well, hi, I'm a giraffe. This is me. I hope you like me because I like you. I'm super friendly and super sweet. And I never ever say anything mean because I love everybody. Okay, so somebody needs to give me a name because I don't have one. I'm waiting for you. Kisses.
Hey, baby. I'm an alligator from the swamp, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm from the swamp in Louisiana. My name's Leon. And I'm an alligator. I got friends. I got snake friends. I got crawdad friends. I got turtle friends. I got all kinds of swamp friends. And I like the swamp. And I like Cajun food too, baby. You know what I'm saying? All right now. You don't gotta give me no name, cause I got one. Ha ha! Yeah. Don't forget my name, baby. I'm Leon. I'm an alligator. All right now. G'day, mate. G'day, mate. I'm an Australian nutria. You may not have ever seen an Australian nutria before, so this may be your first time. If it is, I'll give you a quick profile. I got no tail at all. And I got no teeth like a beaver. Just because all I really eat is plants and leaves and stuff like that. So, there you go. And I don't have a name yet either. So, that'd be helpful. If somebody wants to give me a name, I'm ready. I'm an Australian nutria. Look it up. What, dude? I am a sloth. Just hanging out. You're the biggest puppet that I have, like, of all the puppets. You're literally, like, the biggest puppet. Like, look at this. You're like, look at how long your legs are. You're like a 3-foot-long puppet. I know. My mom was big. And my daddy was pretty big, too. So, when I was born, they said I'd be big. And, well, here you go. Okay, well, we're just kind of getting to know each other a little bit. We're still pretty new, and so I don't really have a name for this sloth yet. And how does that feel? Are you sad that you don't have a name yet? No, I don't care. You can call me whatever, man. Okay, well, we're going to come up with a name for you. We're going to have a vote, and we're going to have a name, and somebody will come up with a cool name, and we'll give you that name, okay? Deal? Okay, deal. Okay, let's get one more, like, full pan shot of this giant sloth puppet. Pretty cool, huh? Where are sloths even from? Like, I don't even know where you're from. We're from Beaver, Utah. No, that's not true at all. There are no sloths in Utah, in Beaver. There's barely even people in Beaver, Utah. We are from Las Vegas, baby. No. You're not from Vegas. There's nothing in Vegas. Not even like, well, there's scorpions and snakes, and that's pretty much it. So you're lying to me right now. And I need to know where you're from. I will tell you when I have a new name. Until then, nope. Okay, sounds good. I gotta go. Here's my new sloth and all the rest of my puppets. So, hope you had fun meeting everybody. And we gotta go. Okay, bye.